I'm just going to start removing more of the wiring harness. You got a 10mm bolt here, a couple of 10mm here, and let's see, you can like disconnect all of these. For this one here, you just squeeze this button on the back right there. For this one here, you have to push on this really hard. I pushed on it with a screwdriver. You have to push it kind of hard. And you got this white one down here, and this is the last thing on this side. Looks like you just push down on that part. For this one here, you have to pull back the rubber, and then the button on it is, well, you don't have, now that you know where the button is, you probably don't have to pull back the rubber, but the button for it is right there. Get that one there, you press down there. So with this one here, there's a cap that you need to pry off, and then there's a 10mm bolt, and then it's just a ground wire right there. And then this is attached in the back of here with these things that you can like, you have to squeeze on the inside of the needle nose and get them out. I'll probably use a screwdriver for that top. You kind of have to use a screwdriver for both of those. I don't know, it might be easier just to sort of break them out. And then there's just this one end of the wire down here. Easier to get this one from underneath. The button is on the top facing upwards, and it's way in the back here. And you've got this thing holding on the wire harness here in the back of the engine. This thing is just a rubber thing on this metal thing, and you can just pry it off with a screwdriver, but it just pops off. And then looks like we got another one of those right there. Down here, get the O2 sensor here. Here the button is like right here. I took a pair of pliers and just squeezed it. It made it easy. Yeah, and then there's one of those rubber things on the metal there, one there, and then down here there's another thing underneath there. You can feel it, and then there's another one down here somewhere. It's easy. You can just feel it, and then peel that back, and actually it's a ground wire there with a 10mm bolt holding it on.